In this video, I want to talk about how you can use a demo account on eToro. Now to switch to a demo account, all you need to do is come down here and click on switch to virtual. Now since I'm already on my demo account, it's gonna say switch to real, which is to go back to my real live account. But click on switch to virtual and you will now have a virtual account. Now if I head over to my portfolio, you will see that I have $100,000 of virtual value, you can see. So you'll get 100k of fake money that you can use. So you can use this as a normal account. Just keep in mind, of course, the money is fake and you cannot withdraw anything. But what you can do is you can go to Discover and you can find something and you will be able to trade. Okay, you cannot trade a CFD in Denmark, of course. But if I just head over to Amazon or something, you will be able to trade like on a normal account. So just keep that in mind, that you can use this as a normal account. You can trade, you can sell and everything, but of course it's just fake money. But this is the way that you do this, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.